Attorney, ano po ang ibig sabihin nito? Kasi with this ruling on Escudero's case, lahat po ng may ng mga tumanggap ng mga donations from officers, founders, and so on of contracting corporations, lahat sila wala na pong liability.
Well, ayan naman ay, I think it is not yet final. Ano? It's not yet the decision of the COMELEC. It was just a recommendation by a department of the COMELEC. So I think the ball is still in the hands of the Commission on Elections and PAC. Ang dapat na mag-decision niya kung talagang tama yung findings na yan ng Political, Finance, and Affairs Department ng COMELEC ay the COMELEC and Bank. Because as you will note in the resolution, ang nakalagay dyan, for your honor's consideration. In other words, something has to be done in connection with the said resolution. Ano? At ako, tataka nga ako bakit na-release kagad yan eh. Usually, in matters concerning investigations conducted by a department of the COMELEC and Bank is the one releasing the information as to whether or not the recommendation of a department is approved by the NBank. Pero dito nagtaka nga ako, bakit biglang lumabas kaagad itong resolution na ito. So, sa akin, we have to wait for the decision of the COMELEC. Although, from the looks of it, dito sa resolution ito, mukhang tama naman yung ginawa nitong department na ito. Kasi maliwanag nga naman sa batas na it is the company, yung kumpanya ang hindi pwedeng magbigay ng donation. At sa ilalim kasi ng ating corporation code, iba yung company, yung korporasyon, at iba yung stockholders o officers. Siguro dapat maliwanagan ng taong bayan tungkol dyan. Kasi siyempre magagalit ang taong bayan. Ano ba naman yan? Pero sa mga abogado sa nakakaintindi ng legal terminologies, sa ilalim po kasi ng corporate code, hiwalay ang pagkatao ng isang korporasyon at saka ng isang pangulo o opisyal ng nasabing korporasyon. So dito, walang napatunayan, walang nabigay ng anumang ebidensya na yung perang ibinigay kay Escudero ni Mr. Lubiano ay nanggaling sa company, kundi nagkaroon lamang ng parang insinuation na dahil sa president ay nanggaling na yun doon. Ang problema kasi dito, the problem with this case, ito ay motu proprio, big sabihin on its own, gumawa ng investigation ng COMELEC. Walang private individual na nag-submit ng anumang ebidensya.
Walang
Siguro
kumpira.
dito dapat mayroong evidence ng money trail. Saan ba nanggaling yung pera ni Lubiano? Kailan nagkaroon ng ganoong pera si Lubiano? Kailan at noong bang panahon yun, nag-release ng ganoong kalaki yung kanyang kumpanya? So, doon sana matitrace natin kung talagang personal money yun ni Mr. Lubiano. Pero dito, basta lang sinabi, siya ay president. But walang direct evidence to show that the money came from the company. Yun ang malaking problema dito. Kaya, ang nangyari, wala daw ebidensya. And so, there is no legal impediment as to the receipt by Escudero of the said amount from Mr. Lubiano.
Yes, sir.
Yun
Sir,
ang kasong ito.
yes, sir. Sir, I get naman what you mean. In fact, we've heard similar opinions from former COMELEC commissioners like Commissioner Louis Guia. Pero sir, my question din is this hindi ho ba, doesn't it go against the spirit of the law of Section 95C, which would prohibit conflict of interest and undue influence by a donor on a government official who may be dealing in the future with the approval of contracts?
Kasi sa Section 95C, wala naman yung conflict of interest. Wala naman sinasabi yan yung gano'n. Ang maliwanag lang na sinasabi ay yung mga those people or persons who have contracts with the government. Siguro dapat mabago itong batas na ito. Hanggat hindi na babago yung batas na yan, yung walang magagawa dahil sa iyan ang paninindigan nila, pakahawak. And as a matter of fact, I think that's the reason why Escudero accepted the donation. As a lawyer, he knows na ito naman ay hindi galing sa company, galing ito kay Lubiano. I don't think Escudero would make himself a stating na alam niyang bawal, gagawin pa rin niya yun. He is a lawyer. The most of it na gagawin niya, hindi na lang niya i-declare siguro. Pero dito, dineclare niya, Lubiano, although, sabihin po may conflict of interest, but then, wala yun sa batas. It's not provided for by the law.